Okay, here we go. Another Walmart Plus delivery this morning. My delivery time was between 9 and 11. It is exactly 5 till 10, and I just got everything put out on my table. The man that delivered it, very friendly. Substitutions, one right here. I wanted the large bag of northern beans, but instead they just gave me two. I had to okay it through my phone to okay the substitutions. That was not a big deal. I figure a lot of people are making beans right now with it being another round of terrible, terrible weather headed our way. So I thought, hey, just get what you need to make meals. I was going to place this order Monday, like Monday, Tuesday, and that is when the storm is coming, and I figure probably sometime this afternoon and on, Walmart Plus is going to be so swamped. So I placed my order early to make sure that I would get everything, which is not a lot, but definitely things that I was out of, things I needed to make meals. And this should get us through the rest of this month. And I just made sure that I had everything that I needed. I went through and I made a meal plan and figured out exactly what I was out of. So I did get some beans. Beans is an awesome option for dinner in a pinch, as well as, well, it's inexpensive, it's filling, and it's hot. So if it's going to be 1 degree Wednesday, it might be a good bean day. I'm not sure. Did get some sausage because I do have some biscuits in the refrigerator. Another thing of eggs. Eggs are really, just make sure you have plenty of eggs. It's just kind of a staple. And then some bread. Actually, almost out of bread, which is odd for us, but I have been eating a lot of PB&Js for breakfast. Probably not the best thing, but it's been keeping me full. And this is the peanut butter I ran out of, and the only peanut butter that I like. So I went ahead and I got me a big jumbo container of it. I love to bake with this. I love to eat it. I really think it is the best peanut butter for your money. Okay, it's not, if you got your heart set on Jeff or Skippy or any of the others, that's, you do you. But this one, my mom even loves it. I love this one. Some sugar was almost out. Some flour almost out. I did get some green peppers. The gentleman that picked these out could not ask for any better. Thank you very much, Walmart shopper. You did a phenomenal job. We're going to have some stuffed peppers one night. Also got some enchilada sauce. I'm going to make some enchiladas, some beef enchiladas one day. Sounds so good. I mean, I don't know about you, but I can eat Mexican 3 times a day. Some mushroom sauce. All else fails, and you don't have anything else in your cabinet. If you have this and you've got some hamburger meat and you've got some elbow macaroni, you've got a meal. You have got a meal, and it's delicious. Ronnie and I have done it many, many times, and it's easy to fix and very filling. I've got some chicken nuggets left from Sam's. We just keep eating on the bag, and it's like the bag keeps growing. It is so big, and I am going to get another one of those bags because in a pinch, those Tyson chicken nuggets are delicious, but we like to use this to dip them in. Oh, so, so good. So, so good. And very cheap, too. This bottle's like $1 something, and I love it. Some bananas. I'm the only one who eats bananas in this house. Did get some bananas. My coffee creamer that I keep talking myself out of getting because I know it's not good for me, but I love it so much in the morning. And I've missed it the last couple of days. I've not had it. Bought that. I mean, come on. We all have our guilty pleasures, and apparently this is mine. Also, too, got some of these. Was going to get some. I actually ventured out yesterday, went to Target. I was going to get a big thing at Target, but they were like $14. I'm not paying $14 for pretzels, but did get this to snack on during the bad weather days. Those are really good because a little goes a long ways. They're very filling. Got my usual yogurt, almost out. I think I have one more serving of this left in the refrigerator. Got some sour cream, some cheese for the enchiladas, a couple taco seasonings. I wasn't real sure how many of these I had. It never hurts to have extras. Some frozen broccoli as a side with some pork steaks that I have in my freezer. Ronnie wanted some of these crunchy fish fillets. These are delicious. They are really good. Bought a couple things of tater tots. These are really easy to fix in a pinch and very inexpensive. And one sweet onion. And again, produce is picked out superbly. And I am loving the Walmart Plus app, loving not having to venture out in bad weather or crowds and be aggravated and just get what I need. By the way, there is one more thing, and I'll show it to you. I popped it into the freezer because I did not want it to thaw while I was trying to film. So on occasion, I need some stress reliever. This is a little secret between you and I. I got 2 of these in here. This is how I deal with life. Keep the secret for me. Keep the secret for me. I'm going to put away these groceries. And, yeah. And then we're going to clean house today in this video. I'm going to add on to this video because I know this is a very small haul. We're going to get some deep cleaning done today. And, yeah. So I'm looking forward to actually deep cleaning. My washing machine went out. Had to buy a new one. It won't be delivered till next Wednesday, so there will be no clothes washing, but there's going to be some deep cleaning ovens, deep cleaning floors, and getting things nice and tidy for next week because it's going to be a busy one. So let's get into the cleaning. I have been putting off for a very long time giving my stove a really good scrub. And for Christmas this year, I got a power scrubber, and it is chargeable, which is awesome. It's cordless, which is even better. And it comes with 2 or 3 different heads. In cleaning my stovetop and my oven, I am just using dish soap and really, really hot water, and it does a fantastic job. Now, after I get done scrubbing, I obviously take like a microfiber cloth and give everything a really good clean wipe down just to make sure that I have all of the soap residue removed. But I am absolutely pleased with my new power scrubber. It is really awesome. I have even used it on our antique tub, which is upstairs, and you would not believe how clean it gets that bathtub. It is so cool. And if you don't know this by now by watching me, I am a sucker for a cleaning gadget. I absolutely love cleaning gadgets. If nobody knows what to get me, buy me a cleaning gadget because that will make my year because I love that. I love it. And I love to watch people use new things and new products and get a good review on it or a bad review. And then I can assess whether or not it is, if it's to any type of benefit for me to even purchase the item myself, because I am just blown away by kitchen cleaning gadgets or house cleaning gadgets, vacuums, power scrubbers, steamers. You name it, I love that. Now, you will notice that I have kind of like things sitting on the counter, and you might notice that I have some things kind of laying around in my kitchen today. It is because my washing machine went out on me, and so I had to order a new washing machine, and it is supposed to come in a week. I really wanted it sooner, but it is coming in a week. I did get a new washing machine, pretty much like the one that I had already. Unfortunately, it was not covered under warranty, so I had to buy a new one. I was not happy about having to do that right at the first of the year, but these things do not quit on you when you want them to, or when you feel like you might be financially prepared for it. But God took care. God knew, that I needed a new washing machine. Everything went good. I was able to find the washing machine on rebate, which was awesome. I got a 5-year warranty, and it will be delivered really, really soon. And I am actually excited about having to get caught up on all my laundry. My bedding needs to be washed. I have, clothes that need to be washed. Just different things, towels. And, you feel so much better when your laundry's all done and caught up. So I'm looking forward to getting all caught up with the laundry. So I'm finishing here with my stovetop and my oven. I'm going to give the outside of the stove a good wipe down. And I boiled water on the stove because I love to clean my floors with really, really scalding hot water. And as you can see here, I'm using the spin mop, which I absolutely love. I have different heads for my mop, and I use it for different things. And I think it works amazing. Especially if I feel like I really need to give things a good scrub. And since it's been really cold here, we have been tracking in a lot of salt off of our porch, and you can see it on my floor, and so it really does need a good scrub down. If you're wondering what I'm listening to in my headphones, I'm still reading House in the Sky. It is 40 chapters long. It's taken me a little while. I don't know if I even mentioned this, but way before Christmas, when I had started this book, I got pneumonia, and I just was too sick to listen to the book, and I could not concentrate because they had put me on steroids that made me feel like I was racing, and I just could not enjoy reading a book when I had all that medicine in my system. But I am feeling so much better. It took me a very long time to get over that, which was not pleasant. But I am trying to give myself time to heal up and get my house back to and get everything wiped down and cleaned up. Finally got all of my Christmas stuff taken down. I feel kind of ridiculously dressed in this video. I have on socks, fur-lined slippers, blue jeans. I have a long sleeve t-shirt, a sweatshirt, and another sweatshirt because right here when I'm filming, it's 0 degrees outside. And we live in an old house and it's drafty, so there you go. I am showing you my favorite deodorizers for my house. I use these all the time. They literally last me over a month, and it's fantastic. Here's my new chair that I got for Christmas. I've been promising to show you guys my new chair. I love this thing, and since I have had to stay home because of really nasty weather, I have really enjoyed sitting in my chair with a cup of coffee and watching a little bit of TV with my husband. I think this winter I have literally watched more TV than I have in the last 5 years of my life. I usually never hardly watch television. We are always on the go, but we have been iced in, snowed in. We've had meetings canceled and everything, so there you go. We have had to be home, and so we have really been enjoying just quality time together. So I'm going to leave you guys with this. This is the new cleaner that I have purchased. It is the Mr. Clean, and it's the Unstoppable scented. It is amazing. I highly suggest it. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you part of Heidi's home. And thanks so much for watching, and have a fantastic day.